Hello, dear children. Yesterday we started lesson 9. Lesson 9 we started and we completed one exercise. Now let us move on to next exercise, self-practice 9b. Okay, in this exercise, let us see what we are going to see in short now. First, converting fraction to decimals. How to convert a fraction to decimal? The fraction number convert into decimal. Fraction number we know, that is any number 1 by 10, yes, or 23 by 10, or say this number. If the number is denominator 10, okay? If the denominator is 10, then how to write in decimal? Okay, how to write in decimal? Yesterday we touched this part. Yesterday, little bit we saw this about this. 1 by 10. What is in the denominator? 1, okay? If the denominator, how many 0? 1, 1, 1, okay? 1, 1, 0 in the denominator, okay? So for that, in how many decimal number? So that is after the point, only one digit you are right, okay? Decimal number only one, okay? After that point, only one decimal number. That is, what is in the numerator? 1, yes, only 1. See here, 23, yes? So write the numerator here, write the numerator, and here is denominator 10. So only 1 0. So after the point only one decimal place. Okay, after point only one decimal place. That is, do the point here. See, only one point. Yes. So denominator 10. So that means after point, how many digits will come? Only one place. Yes. So write the full numerator here, 151. Yes. So here is 10. Okay, 1 0. For that, after the point, only one number. Okay, like that. After the point, one number. Okay, after the point, only one number, like this. Suppose any other like 1 by 100, 23 by 100, or 151 by 100. Look at this, children, look at this. Now in the denominator, say the denominator now by 100, okay? If the denominator is 100, what you have to do? Yes? So here how many 0 there? 1, 2. Okay, 2 0 there. So for that, write the numerator here, numerator written. So in the, here is 2 0. So after the point, how many digit will come? 2 digit. After the point, 2 digit must come. Okay, like that. First we have only one digit. We don't have one more digit. Yes. So after the point, 2 digit will come. So we don't have one more digit. For that we have to write 0. That means point 0 1. See this 23 now. Write the 23. How many 0 here? For 2 0 there. For the 2 0. Put the point, here is 2 0 and here is after the point 2 number. If you divide by 100, after the point 2 number will come. If you divide by 100, after the decimal point 2 decimal places. Okay, after the point 2 decimal places, like that. So here also, where you write the decimal point? So 1, 2, yes, like this only. Got it? This is the like this. Suppose if it is by 1000, 1 by 1000, or children, look at this. If we divide by 1000, how many 0 is 1000? 1, 2, 3. 3 0 there. Okay, that means after the point, how many numbers must come? Right, first write the numerator. Write the numerator. After the point, there must be 3 digits. Yes, 3 decimal places. After the point, 3 decimal places. But we have in the numerator only 1. Okay, other two number what we can write? 0, 0. Yes, this question says second. Write the numerator 2, 2, 6, 5. How many 0 here? 1, 2, 3. Yes. So decimal. How many decimal places in this number? 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Answer is 2.265. Got it, children? By 10 means 1 decimal place. By 100 means 2 decimal place. By 1000 means 3 decimal place. Got it? You know now how to convert fraction into decimal. Just opposite only. How to convert decimal into fraction. Okay? Fraction to decimal, decimal to fraction. Yes, children? How to just now see that how to write the from decimal to how to write fraction. From decimal to how to write fraction. Okay, opposite next. Okay, the next topic is how to convert the decimal number into fraction. Okay, that is the question. So in that case, see after the point how many digits coming? 1 digit. After point 1, after point 1. Okay, now so write the whatever number given. No, whatever number the full. Write the full number. Okay, 1. You know after the decimal point only 1 digit. Okay, 1 decimal place. That means denominator what is the number? 10. Yes, denominator is 10. 1 decimal place means denominator 10. This is 23. Write the 23. Only 1 place. Yes, only 1 place means by 10. See 151. How many decimal place? 1. Yes, that means by 10. Okay, like this. Okay, from decimal to we can write fraction also. See this one here. How many decimal place? 2 decimal place. 2 decimal place means by 100. Okay, that means write the number 1 by 100. Here 23 by 100 because 0.23, no, 0.23 says in the denominator 20 here. Yes, so 0.23, 2 decimal place means divided by 100. So 1 by 100. Yes. For this one, how to convert this decimal number into fraction? Write the number 1 by how many decimal place? 1, 2, 3 by 1000. Write the full number 2265 by how many decimal place? 1, 2, 3 divided by 1000. Got it, children? Now let us see what is the like and unlike decimal. Okay, we studied the like fraction, unlike fraction. Now in decimal also we are going to study like decimal, unlike decimal. Okay, like decimal. Okay, like decimal means the decimal number have the decimal places same. Okay, decimal places will be same. Okay, you can say any number. So 5.6, 0.3, 23.2. Children, look at this. 0.6. Yes. After point, how many place here? 1. After point, how many place? 1. After point, how many place? 1. So, if in the given decimal number, after the decimal point, if every place is same means that is the like decimal. See, you know here 6, only one number, 1, 1, 1. Okay, all the places same number. After point, only one number coming, okay, everywhere. After point, one number. So that is the like decimal. Or else after point, two number we can get. Or else after point, three number. Okay, that is the like decimal. You can see 0.3636 or children, look at this. Okay, you don't see the whole number. Don't see the whole number. Okay, you leave the whole number. Okay, whole number don't consider. You have to see after the point. After the point, how many number? After the point, how many number? Okay, after the decimal point, how many number? That's only count. Okay, after the so here is 2 place. Here is 2. Here is 2. So decimal place is here 2. So this is the like decimal. Got it? So 1 place or 2 place or 3 place, like this. That is the like decimal. So unlike means, so now you got the idea what is the unlike decimal. Unlike means just opposite, okay, different decimal places. Okay, for unlike it will be different decimal places. Okay, 1.5, 25. Okay, children, look at this. After decimal point, 1 place here. After decimal point, 3 place here. After decimal point, 2 place here. Yes. So this is the unlike decimal. Okay, unlike decimal. Okay, there is no equal place. Okay, different decimal places. Different decimal places. Okay, this is the unlike decimal. Okay, unlike decimal. Got unlike decimal. So now we can change the unlike decimal also into like decimal. How to change unlike decimal into like decimal? Okay, you can change this number into this is unlike, but we can change into like decimal. Okay, after the point we can make everything same number. Okay, like 2 number or 3 number we can make it. Okay, see here in this number, what is the maximum decimal place here? Maximum decimal place here is 1, here is 3, here is 2. Yes, what is the maximum decimal place? 3, no? 3. So that means make here also 3, here also 3. Yes, the number 1.5. After 5, write 2 more numbers. We need to make 3 numbers. After the point, 3 number must come. Okay, see now 1, 2, 3. Okay, we are converting unlike into like now. So for 3 number we don't go. So take 0, 0. See now 1, 2, 3. Got it? This number is already there. 25.215. The next number 0.25. We need one more number. Yes, only we have after the point 2 numbers there. Third number we don't have. Yes, so write 0. Got it? So like this we can convert the unlike into like. Okay, now let us go to exercise. And when we do the exercise, you can understand some more deeply. Self-practice 9B, page number 115. 115. Page number 115. First question. Write the following decimals in ascending order. Ascending order. Ascending order, yes, we know 1, 2, 3, 4, no, like that. In the decimal number, we have to compare now the order, okay, ascending order. See the first here question, 27.7, then 27.1, then 2.71. Children, this is the question. Okay, we have to make in the ascending order. Ascending order. So what is the smallest number in this? Compare the smallest number. So to compare the smallest number, first we know in the decimal, okay, one is the whole number part and another is the decimal part. We know two parts. Whole number part, decimal part. Yes, two parts there. Whole number, decimal. To compare this one, first let us compare the whole number part. The whole number before the point. The dot is no point. Before the point, whatever number we will compare. Here is 27. Here is 27. Here is 2. Yes? Let us compare 27, 27. Here is 2. So which is the smallest number in this? 27 is big. Yes? And small number is 2 only small. First let us compare only the whole number only. Okay? Let us compare only the whole number. 2 is the small number. We are writing the ascending order. Okay, ascending order. What is the smallest number? So 2.71. Okay, now we have written this number. Yes. Next we have this two more number. Okay, this two number we have. So now let us compare these two numbers. Okay, now the whole part is same. 27, 27, both are equal, yes? Okay, 27, both 27, 27, both are equal. And let us now move to 10 after the point first digit. After the point first digit, let us compare. After the point first digit. After the point first digit compare. If the whole number part is equal, next go to decimal place. Decimal place, see that here is 7, here is 1. Yes? Here is 7, here is 1. So which is small in this? So 1 is small. Yes? 1 is small and then 7 is big. Yes? You know it, no? 1 is small, 7 is big. So which number we will write now? 27.1. And the last biggest number, 7 is big, yes, no? 27.7, this is the biggest number, 27.7. Now the children, for B question, 0.72, next 7, next 7.2. So here, see this, we have to compare. First, let us compare the whole number part. Whole number part, that means point is there, compare the left side number. Compare the left side. Okay, point is the left side number only. Okay, left side. Okay, only left side. Okay, point left side number only you have to compare. 0 is here, but here is 7. Okay, 7 is big number, we know. Okay, 7 is big. Okay, here is no decimal number given. Okay, that means it is like 7.0, okay, like this one. 7 is given, 7 is a whole number. Here is 7. See now, this is small. Yes, we are writing the ascending order. So answer you can write first 0.72. This number you written. Yes. Next, let us continue now. This both number. Okay, let us compare this both number. Here is 7. Here is 7, okay? Both the whole number is same. 7 means that is after 7. That means 7.0, like this only. 7 means 7.0. After the number, like imagine after the number it is the 0 like that. You have to imagine. So see that both 7 equal. Yes, 7 equal. Now let us next continue the compare the tens place. After the point, compare after the point first place compare. Here is 0, here is 2. So, you know 0 is less than 2. Yes, no? So, next small number is 7. Yes, 7. So, biggest number 2 is no, this is the biggest number 7.2. Got it, children? Next, C question. 10.004, then 0.403, 4.03. Children, 3 number given. We have to write in the ascending order. Okay, from smaller to greater. Which is the smaller number in this? To compare this one, first we have to compare the whole number. Yes, first compare the whole number. See, here is 10, here is 0, here is 4. So we know 10 is big and 4 also a big number compared to 0. So what is smaller number here? 0 is the small. So first write 0.403. So we have written this number. Yes. Now we have to compare this two number only. 10.004 and 4.03. Compare these two numbers. What is small number here? Just compare the whole number. Here is 4 and here is 10. Yes. 4 and 10. So we know 4 is small and 10 is big. Yes. 4 small and 10 big number. So that means next small number is, you have to write this number 4.03. Yes. So what is the biggest number? 10.004. Hope children you understood this concept. Okay. First we have to compare the whole number. First we have to compare the whole number. If the whole number is equal, after you have to see next after the point first place you have to see. If the whole number equal, okay, then compare the decimal place first, 10th place. Okay, compare the 10th place. After the point first place compare it. Even if the first place equal, then compare the second place. After the point second place see, 100th place see. Okay, after the point 100th place see, till where you getting the difference and difference is where you get. From that you can identify which is small and which is big. Okay, like this you can move on. Okay, remaining question you can do it. Okay, the D and E you can do by yourself. Let us go to question number 2 now. Question number 2, write the following decimal in descending order. So ascending this is and next is descending. Second question, write the following decimal in descending order. Now descending order, write the following decimals in descending order. You know descending order now? From greater to smaller, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, okay, from greater to smaller. 36.107, 3.671, 37.601, 36.703. Children, compare it here. So first, when we comparing, first compare the whole number 36, 3, 37, 36. Compare the whole number. So here you can see 3 is small and next 36, 36 and here is 37. Which is the biggest number here? Okay, descending order. Greater to smaller. Greater number is 37. Yes. So first answer is 37.601. So you have written one number. Next we have another 3 numbers there. In that here is 36, here also 36. Yes. So both are equal. This is 3. this is the last number you write. Okay, you are going to write this is the last number. Okay, so now compare in this two number, which number will come here? Next greatest number, next small, small. Okay, step by step. Okay, you are decreasing now. Next smaller number is 36, 36. Both are equal. Afterwards, both are equal. Now compare the 10th digit. After the point first place. After the point first number compare it. Here is 1 and here is 7. Yes. So which is big and which is small? 1 is small, 7 is big. Yes. So we are writing in the descending order. Yes. So next big number in this. What is the biggest number in this? 7. So this is the next big number, 36.706. 700. 36.700. 36.700. Yes. So this is the biggest number, and next small number is this one. 36.107. 107. Yes. So last smallest number 3.671. See the big question. 12.003. 12.030, 21.003, 12.030. Okay, 12. Children, which is the biggest number in this? 12, 12, 21, 12. Yes. So in this 3 number 12 and 1 number is 21. Yes. Biggest number is 21.003. Yes. 21 is big and 12 is small. Yes. Biggest number this one. So 1 number you written. Next 3 numbers. Yes. 12, 12, 12. So whole number is equal. So afterwards, next let us compare the, after the point first place let us compare it. 0, after the point 0, after the point 3. Yes. After the point first number only compare. After the point first decimal place. 0, 0, 3. So 0 is small and 3 is big. Yes, 3 is big. So we have to write from greater to smaller. So greater number this. Yes. That is 12.301. So now we have only these two numbers. In this two number, which is the big number and small number, let us find now. Whole number both equal and the first decimal place also equal. 0, 0. Yes, equal. Okay, after the point here is 0. After the point here is 0. Yes. Both are equal. Now let us compare the second decimal place. After the point, second number. Okay, after the point, second number let us compare. Here is 0. Yes, here is 0. And here is after the point, second number here is 3. Yes. So which is big? This is big and this is small. 12.030. And last smallest number is 12.003. Next C question. 2.008. Then 2.808. Then 2.800, then 2.088. Children, look at it. Yes. See, 2.22. All okay. Every whole number is same. Everything 2, 2, 2, 2. Yes. Now compare after the point first place. First decimal place. Here is 0. Here is 8. Here is 8. Here is 0. So leave the 0. Okay. We have to compare the greater number only. So here is 8 and here is 8. Now take these two number only and compare. 8, 8. Yes. Both are equal. So 8. Both equal. So first place after the point first decimal place equal. Now let us compare second decimal place. After the point second number. Here is 0. Yes. And here is also 0. Second place 0. Here is 0. Second also 0, 0. Okay. 0, 0. Both are equal. Now let us compare third decimal place. After the point third place. Here is 8. Here is 8. After the point here is 0. So 8, 0. So you know 8 is big. Yes. 8 is big. 0 is small. So what is the biggest number? This is the biggest number. 2.808. This is the biggest number. Then we know next. Okay, now we written this number. Next, let us continue in the in the three number. Let us choose one more biggest number. 2, 2, 2 equal, and let us compare now that first place. After the point first place, let us compare. After the point 0, after the point 8, what is big in this? This is the biggest number, 2.800. Then next small number is, next we have this two number. So in this compare, find out the biggest. First place 0. Second place here is 0, here is 8. So this is the biggest number. 2.088. The last smallest number is 2.008. Okay, children, got it? Okay, remaining, I hope you can do it. Okay, that question is D question you can do. Okay, D question you can do homework. Okay, D question do homework, and question number 3 also. Okay, question number 3, that also you can do homework. Okay, question number 3, do the homework. Okay, I want to tell you that the answers given in the book back side also. Do the answers by yourself, and at last check it in the back side answer. Okay, whether your answer and in the book back side answer both are equal. Okay, okay, check both the answer. If both are coming correctly, then your answer is correct. Okay, children. Okay, thank you. We will see you tomorrow.